I'm going to prepare the best Italian pizza for my friend the rabbit. When the pizza arrives, the rabbit looks at his watch and says, I'm late for the gondola ride. The duck in the gondola tries to find another tourist finds a cat. But he refuses because his friend the goat reminded him that they had a fashion show, and he has to take some pictures of his friend the sheep. She is very famous throughout Italy. When the fashion show is over, her boyfriend the rooster picks her up in his red Ferrari. Excited, they go to the famous painter Donkey to have a portrait made of them. When the portrait is finished, they go out to dinner at the famous restaurant of the chef cat. But the sheep returns to the fashion show for her gala night.